everybody, welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. I got my buddy, what's your name? Adam. This is my son. He's the best helper I have. He's gonna help me put in the new radiator onto the turbo Civic. We also have some hardware to go on the valve cover since one of the bolts is kind of messed up. Just figured it's easier to replace it. What?
Nobody's book.
Oh, this one didn't break.
That bird.
It's supposed to be like that. Go ahead, hold it.
That bird.
He's a lot of fun to work with, but he gets kind of distracted sometimes. But yeah, we're just gonna drain the coolant and put the new radiator in, refill with coolant, put the new valve cover bolts in, and then get the thing started. So what do you think? We should go? Get started?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, say, all right, let's go.
Let's go.
If you guys haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Say, please subscribe.
Please guys.
Yeah, please subscribe. I'm absolutely over the moon about how many subscribers I've gotten and the continued love. I really appreciate every single one of you who's consistently in the comment section. You guys are just incredible. So yeah, I've been out of work, probably will be out of work for quite a while. So make sure you guys smash that subscribe button because it really does help out. All right, that's enough about that. Let's get to work. What you think? You ready? All right, let's go. It's gonna be loud, you got this. No, it's cool, you got it. Alrighty guys, pardon the messy appearance. I know I changed shirts and like I'm had to rinse myself off because I took a little coolant bath down there, which is no bueno. I only put on the one fitting right now. I'm not messing with that right now. I just want to get it started. So I'm gonna throw a hose clamp around this to make sure that it stays and then start her on out. Alrighty y'all. So here we go. Stressful. This one is stressful. Also, I don't have my laptop out here, so if it looks like the tune is gonna be funky, I'm just gonna cut it. Ready? much better. Looky there. So I'm gonna let that car warm up for a little bit. Kind of chilly out here. Huh. I'm gonna let the car warm up for a little bit. That is by far the best start that I've, oh my goodness. That is by far the best start that I've had yet with it. So I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit. She's idling okay. Getting up there. Hell yeah. Let's keep an eye on it. I'm hyped. I'm straight hyped. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. I could really use it. I'm so close to monetizing. Share it with your friends. I appreciate every single one of you. Yo, you guys give me so much juice to keep this thing going. This has been such a pain in the ass. There we go. Fan kicked on. Hell yeah! And no bubbles. Kill it. Oh, I am so goddamn happy right now. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Woo! Yo, she did the thing. Man, I am stoked. She did great. She did so well. So freaking well. The tune needs to be done. Of course, I cannot be driving around at a 10, idling at a 10 AFR. That's bonkers, but I gotta do the timing as well. But wow. Wow. Woo, so there you have it, guys. Put in the new radiator and all the issues stopped. That last one was trashed. It was just, I assume it just overheated and cracked. Next video is gonna be establishing a base map. And I know I've had a couple people hit me up and ask me for help. Had a bunch of you email me actually recently and ask me for help. So here's that video coming up for you guys next. Should be like tomorrow. I'm really excited to get this going. So I'm gonna be posting this video as soon as I edit it. Then the video of setting the base map is gonna be done the following day. So we're gonna do back to back. Gargle, gang. Shout out to Mr. Organic. There we go. So I'm gonna plug this bitch up and get this lifted off of here. You get all this coolant. You gotta make sure your pets don't get to this. I have a used coolant thing here. This is half-cooked coolant. There it goes. huge shout out to everybody who's helped me along this way. I really wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. You know, I fucked up the intake tubing here. I'll probably just end up buying a better looking cap for this. I have this capped off as well. I hope that's right, it runs, so we'll see. But yeah, I got the catch can routed to where the breather tube is. Ooh, I gotta tighten that down, I didn't tighten that. Thank you guys so much again, I really do appreciate you. I know I say that so much, but it is so incredible to have such a support system behind me. You know, I'm just trying to give you guys as much content to watch during this whole thing as possible. On a little bit more of a somber note, recently there were two Air Force Academy cadets that chose to end their life during all this. And so I just wanted to reach out to you guys and let you know that if you need somebody to talk to, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here with an unbiased ear. I won't judge you. You don't even have to use your real name. It can be completely anonymous. Steven@TunerThings.com is my email address. I'm on Facebook, Instagram. I'm not on Instagram as much, but yeah, so just don't be afraid to reach out. Please stay busy. Keep washing your hands. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, Cub Scouts.